Joining us now is Shipyard Brewing Company's trade brewer, Bruce Elam, a Rhode Island native, just up the road, Coventry and Cranston. Bruce has been with Shipyard Brewing since 1998, first as an assistant brewer, rising up to the ranks to senior production brewer. And 16 years later, is the company's trade brewer in the field representing Shipyard brands.
It's an India Pale Ale, look at that rich coppery color. IPAs, again, they're the go-to style for a lot of craft consumers. So people expect big, bold, hop character, and this beer delivers on that.
All right, thanks for being with us, Bruce.
Well, this is terrific. This is kind of like a homecoming for me, because I did grow up in Rhode Island.
Okay.
My family has been in Maine for generations, so it's kind of cool to bring some of Maine back to Rhode Island.
Okay, you're the trade brewer. What exactly is a trade brewer?
I've been with Shipyard for 16 years now. Now, the first 11 as an actual brewer brewing our beer. In my new role as the trade brewer, I bring brewing expertise into the sales and marketing trade. It's a cool job. Because
you have a lot more friends now? You have a lot more friends now?
You know what I do? I drink our beer and talk about our beer is what I do. And a craft consumer, by the way, is a pretty knowledgeable customer. You know, they have real questions about brewing process, about different styles of beer, and it's my role to give them the real answers, someone who's actually done it.
Well, Shipyard defines itself as drinkability. I mean, it's a damn good beer, but what do you mean by this drinkability? I don't really understand too much.
Now let's talk about balance when you taste a beer.
Okay.
Now, of course, this is well established in the wine world. If anyone's been to a wine tasting, everyone's talking about the balance of the wine and how important it is. And now it's very important in beer as well. But regardless of the style of beer that we're creating, we do strive for that drinkability, that balance, be it in the flavor, be it in the science of making you thirsty for the next sip of beer. And that's important because we don't want to sell you one beer, we want you to enjoy a second beer. So I always tell my people on tours when they come into the brewery, I said, you know, instead of buying a six-pack, we want you buying a case. Before you know it, you got a refrigerator in your basement, you got a keg of our beer down there. You know, this is what we want to have happen.
Well, the Shipyard is great.
And we think those beers, regardless of style, has that type of balance that we're after.
I want to talk a little bit about the history. I know that it has some English roots.
Shipyard started at the pub level back in 1992, the Federal Jack's Brew Pub in Kennebunkport, Maine. We were here at the beginning of the whole craft movement, so we're an original player. We started at the grassroots level of a traditional on-premise brew pub, brewing on-premise. We formulated our export ale. This is a North American Canadian Golden Ale. And that beer became popular within just 2 years. The demand for that beer warranted the actual establishing of Shipyard Brewing Company, opening up at the Portland waterfront in 1994. Now, if you fast forward 20 years later, as we sit here today, we have grown into the largest craft brewer in Maine. We're actually the 14th largest craft brewer in America.
Really? Fantastic.
So we've had some terrific growth, and it was all right from very humble beginnings.
You have what's called a Shipyard mug here.
We have a mug club. All of our pubs typically have a mug club. And what the consumer does is they'll purchase the mug for a $50 fee.
Okay.
Now for that fee, they get some swag, Shipyard swag. I think maybe in this case some Twin Rivers swag goes along with it. Okay, I know you get like a free lunch on your birthday. But the most important thing is every time you use your mug, and that mug is actually yours. It's numbered with you. You're allowed to decorate it. If you're a New England Patriots fan, you can put your Patriots logo on that mug. So when you come in, you actually will get a 20-ounce pour, but you only pay for 16 ounces of beer. So in essence, by joining the Mug Club, every time you enjoy a beer, you get 4 ounces sort of on the house.
Someone told me when I walked in that I needed to walk the plank. I had no idea what that meant.
Okay.
But I'm seeing something behind you, and I'm kind of thirsty.
In order to promote some of our beers, Shipyard having a nautical theme, we believe our beers are worth walking the plank for. So the pub here did a really terrific takeoff on that. And so the beer sample that they serve, they call it walking the plank. So you pay $5.50 and you're given 4 different Shipyard draft beers to sample because we have an awful lot to offer here at the pub. We also have our Signature Series beer. This is a very popular one. It's called our Smash Pumpkin. Now these are higher alcoholic beers. These are approaching wine type strength and complexity. So I describe these as the wines of beer. And craft beer, that's where the action is in the beer world. So this is a perfect pairing for us because obviously the casino is where the action is and craft beer is where the action is. So we just brought everything together. So Shipyard is very excited to be partnering here with the Twin River Casino. We just think it's a natural pairing.
Bruce, you're a champion, man, a champion.